Hi guys! In today's video I'm bringing to you one of my all-time favorites. It's an egg roll in a bowl. It is packed full of vegetables, full of flavor, and it is sure to please even the pickiest of eaters. If you love egg rolls, you are going to love this recipe. So let's just get out in the kitchen and make this. To get started on this recipe, we are going to take one medium green cabbage and slice that into thin strips. We're also going to slice those strips in half and then into quarters, just so you have nice bite-sized pieces. Then we're going to take 2 stalks of celery and we are going to dice that up into nice bite-sized pieces. You don't want anything too large. You want all your pieces to be nice and evenly diced so it cooks all the same. You're going to do the same with a green pepper. Gonna get that all nice and sliced and diced. And again, you're looking for the same size pieces. Then we are going to take a box shredder and we are going to shred up 3 medium-sized carrots. And you will end up with a nice amount of shredded carrots. Then you're going to take 1 medium-sized onion and dice that. And then we are going to, into a very high pot, we are going to put about a tablespoon of olive oil and 1 pound of pork sausage. And you're going to brown that until it's almost completely cooked. And then we are going to add our vegetables that we just sliced and diced and shredded up. And we're going to just let that cook down for a few minutes. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Go ahead and give that a good stir and let that cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And then we are going to add in 3 cloves of garlic, half a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, and we're just going to give this all a big stir and make sure everything gets coated with this sauce. And then we are going to add our cabbage, and this is why you need a very high stock pot, because this cabbage starts off pretty high but then it cooks down by about half. Put on a lid and just let that cook for about 5 minutes, and then you're going to stir it around and make sure you're starting to get everything coated in the sauce. And this does take a good 5 minutes for it to actually start to cook down, so just be patient. It will take its time. Once you have everything incorporated and all covered in that sauce, you're going to cover that and let that cook for about 10 minutes. And once it is finished cooking, this is what you're going to have. You're going to give this a nice big stir. Make sure your cabbage is all nice and cooked and all your vegetables and everything are cooked. And this is almost ready to eat. And that is what it's going to look like when it is finished. And oh man, this is going to be so good. I think it is almost time to plate this up and devour. Just look at that, guys. I am actually going to top mine with a little bit of green onion. Completely optional. and just a little smidge of sesame seeds. and this is ready to eat. And here you have it, guys, egg roll in a bowl. You can't go wrong with this. If you love egg rolls, you are gonna love this recipe. I mean, what's not to love? Ooh, it's hot. You have to try and make the soy sauce and the hoisin sauce just bring out the flavor. I mean, it's just, you gotta give this a try. You will not be disappointed. As always, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And if dinner recipes and more meal ideas are something that you're looking for, I will leave some more ideas listed up above. And as always, I hope you all have a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.